Hey folks, we've seen some clouds in the valley today and even a few sprinkles. You might have noticed just a few drops on the windshield, or you walked out to the car and it just happened to sprinkle right when you did. Most of what's out there has moved to the north now. I see a pretty good little shower up to the northwest of Falfurrias, moving to the northwest, and spotty stuff offshore, but over the valley proper, there's one right now about Progresso, moving across the river as we speak. So again, during the evening hours, and even during the daytime tomorrow, a brief shower can't be ruled out, but you're talking for the most part light stuff, nothing of any significance, probably nothing measurable. And you can see on the cloud cover picture, we've seen plenty of clouds today. Now let's watch future track, because here's where it gets a little more interesting. I think tonight, pretty quiet. Again, maybe a brief sprinkle in a couple of spots, and the same thing goes for the daytime tomorrow. It's a mix of clouds and sun. Fair enough amount of cloudiness to maybe trigger a brief sprinkle, but again, nothing more than that. Go to Saturday, things begin to change. We start the day with a lot of clouds, begin to see a couple of showers show up in the region, and then our cool front makes its presence felt, likely during the afternoon hours. And along the front, there could be a shower, maybe even a thunderstorm, especially close to the coast. And then into early Sunday, the clouds linger and maybe some leftover sprinkles, but I think what you're going to notice more than anything else is the big change in the temperatures. Front comes through, temperatures are close to 80. By Sunday morning, we're in the 50s and then bounce back only to 60 or so as the clouds stick around all day Sunday. Rain chances are high for Saturday afternoon, Saturday night, but by Sunday morning, we drop it down to 30%. We're talking mainly near the coast. By mid-morning Sunday, anything left will be at the coast and moving offshore. And then Sunday night, I think maybe a sprinkle near the coast. That's about it. But the clouds are not going away. They're going to be with us pretty much all weekend long. Here's the temperatures right now. 83 McAllen, 80 Weslaco, 75 Port Isabel, 72 at the beach at this hour. Overnight tonight, upper 60s, low 70s. That's about it, with isolated showers, nothing particularly big. And then tomorrow we're back in the 80s again. Tomorrow not quite as warm as it was earlier in the week, but still in the low 80s, still well above normal for this time of year. But you look at the next 3 days, 82, 79, and then look at that, Sunday, 62 for a high. That's it. After being in the 80s, even upper 70s, maybe 80 on Saturday, a big drop in temperatures from one day to the next, courtesy of that front. Look at the rest of South Texas right now. It's 84 in Laredo, but 53 in Del Rio. There's a front in the state right now, but the front in the process of washing out. Look to the north, 53 in Dallas, 32 in Lubbock. A lot of clouds up there as well. The front is stalling in the middle part of Texas right now. That one doesn't get much closer, so we stay warm until the next front gets here. That'll happen Saturday afternoon. Cooler air will build in behind that, and that will be that. We'll see cooler conditions build in for much of early next week. If you're traveling tomorrow, let's take a look. Early in the morning, it's in the 30s in the Panhandle, 50s, 60s as you move southward. We rebound up into the low 80s, but much cooler across the rest of the state. Your first 1-5 AccuWeather forecast for tonight, then 70, very mild, patchy, dense fog, especially near the coast. And then tomorrow, an isolated shower. Chance of rain tomorrow stands at about 10 to 20%. It's like today, just a sprinkle in a few spots. Here's a look at the next 7 days. Look how we go from 82 to 62, and Monday, Martin Luther King Day, only 59. But then we bounce back next week with clouds sticking around, maybe even a couple of showers, but warmer temperatures build back in. Cooler temperatures coming Saturday night. That's your updated First 1-5 AccuWeather forecast.